Part 2 of day 1 of staying at the Great Lodge with the toddler. Let's go. While the kids were napping, I went downstairs to grab a box of pizza and brought it up. We then decided to hit the arcade. It was so much fun. If you get the Wolf Pass, you do get some credits for the arcade. We then stopped by Ten Paw Alley and had a great family-friendly bowling match. No joke, my toddler actually beat my husband. He's never gonna live that one down. We picked up a light snack from the convenience store while baby girl took a nap, and then it was back to the water park again before it closed. We placed a to-go order from the app, and then we went to craft time. The lodge has activities that run throughout the entire day. Stay tuned for day 2.